Welcome to our section, children. Today we are going to see multiplication. Multiplication is shortcut form of addition. That is mean, suppose now for example, 6 3s are 18. What is the 18? What is 3? What is 6? 3 times of 6. If we add, we'll get 18. Suppose now 6 plus 6. What is the result? It is 12. 12 is 2 times. One more 6 we are going to add with this. So our result will be 18. This is third time we are adding. So 3 time of adding 6, our result will be 18. So multiplication is shortcut form of addition. Identity is 1. Why? Because any number, if you multiply by 1, the same number will be your answer. Example, 68 into 1 equal to 68. Suppose 2 into 1, 2. Minus 65 into 1 minus 65. 1 by 9 into 1, 1 by 9. Minus 7 by 5 into 1, minus 7 by 5 only. So, 1 if you multiply with any number, answer will be the same number. That's why 1 is multiplicative identity. Suppose in case of 0, if you multiply with any number, you will get 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 100, 0. So, 0 if you multiply with any number, your answer will be 0. But 0 if you add with any number, here we are adding. 0 if you add with any number, your answer will be same. That's how 0 is additive identity. 1 is multiplicative identity. Some example, here single digit with double digit. Here in this example, 4 digit with 2 digit. Here I have taken 5 digit and 4 digit, but I have taken here decimal number. So, this decimal how to multiply. Here I have taken fraction number. So, first we will see now 45 into 3. 3 is there in unit place. This 45, 5 is there in unit place. 4 is there in 10th place. So, first take unit place and multiply with unit place. 3 5s are 15. In this 15 also, 5 is there in unit place. So, write it here in unit place. 1 is there in 10th place. So, this 1 carry here on 10th place. Now, 3 4s are 12. And carry is 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. So, write this full number, that is 13. So, here your answer is 45 into 3 is 135. Example is 1987 multiply with 25. 5 should be multiplied with 7. 7 5s are 35. This 5 should be written in unit place. 3 should be carried out on 10th place. Next, 5 8s are 40. 3 should be added with 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. 3 is there in unit place. So, you have to write it in 10th digit. 4 should be added with 100 place. Next, 5 9s are 45. Along with 45, 4 should be added. So, our result will be 49. 9 should be written in 100 place. 4 should be carried out 1000 place. Next, 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then we are going to multiply the 10th place. 10th place we have 2. 2 into 7, 14. So 14, 4 is there in unit place, but we are going to write in the 10th place. Why? Because 2 is there. That is 2 is there in 10th place. The value is 20. So that here we are not going to write any number. So we'll start from 10th place. This 4 should be written in 10th place. 1 should be carried out on 10th place here. So 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. This 7 should be written here. 1 should be carried out on 100th place. Now 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 9 should be written in here. 1 should be carried out on 1000 place. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, we'll add this 5. Here no number, only 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 should be carried. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Remaining 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Our answer is 49,675. 349.67 into 784.2. Now 2 should be multiplied with 7. 2 7s are 14. 1 should be carried out. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 should be written here. 1 should be carried out on the 9. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 9 should be written here. 1 should be carried out here. Next 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next 2 3s are 6. Now we are going to multiply 4 with this digits. 4 7s are 28. 8 should be written here. We should not write in this place because 4 is there in 10th place. So 4 7s are 28. 8 should be written. 2 should be carried out here. Next 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 26. 2 should be carried out here. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. 3 should be carried out here. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 1 is carried here. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Next, without considering the decimal point here, 8 is there in 100 place. So when we multiply 8 into 7, we are going to start with 100 place. Now 8 7s are 56. 6 should be written here. 5 should be carried out in this place. Next 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 will get 53. This 3 should be written in this place. 5 should be carried out here. Next 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 5. 77. 7 should be written here. This 7 should be carried out here. Next 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7 will get 39. 9 should be written in this place. 3 should be carried out here. Next 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 27 we have to write it as it is. Next, without considering the decimal point, 7 should be multiplied with this numbers. So 7 7s are Next, 7 sevens are 49. 9 should be written in unit place, put 0. 10th place, 100th place, we should not write because here it is 1000 place. 1000 place we have to start. 7 sevens are 49. 9 should be written in this place. 4 should be carried out here. Next, 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. 6 should be written in this place. 4 should be carried out here. Next, 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 4, 67. So 7 should be written here. 6 should be carried here. Next, 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6, 34. 4 should be written here. 3 should be carried out this place. Next, 3 sevens are 21 plus 3 should be added with this. So 24. 24 we have to write it in this place. Next, we are going to add all the numbers. So 4, no numbers here, 4 only. So here 3 plus 8, 11, write here 1, 1 should be carried out here. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 22, 2 should be written here, 2 should be carried. 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 3 is 22, 22 plus 9 is 31. This 1 should be written here, 3 should be carried. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, 25 plus 6 is 31. 1 should be written here, this 3 should be carried here. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 7 is 22. 2 should be written here, 2 should be carried out here. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 should be written here, 1 should be carried. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. This 2 should be written as it is. In our question, we have 2 decimal digit and 1 decimal digit. So therefore totally 3 decimal place we have. So in our answer also we have to leave the 3 numbers and keep the decimal point. So our answer is 2,74,211.214. Next example, fraction multiply with fraction. 15 and 9, we have 3 is common factor. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now, this numerator and denominator also can be cancelled. So, 1 3s are 3, 1 more 3s are 3. Here, numerator and denominator can be cancelled. 1 5s are 5 and 1 5s are 5. So, our answer will be minus into minus plus. 1 into 1, 1 divided by 1 into 1, 1. So, we'll get here plus 1. 1 divided by 1 also is 1. The example is 92.34 into 100. When we multiply with 10, 100, 1000 and all, this 0 we can write it directly like this. 1 into any number, the same number will be there. 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 9s are 9. In the question, we have 2 decimal digits. So, in the answer also, we have to leave the 2 digits here, keep the decimal place here. So, our answer is 9,234. Example, 173 into 3000. So, in 3000 we have 3 zeros. Directly we can write 3 zeros. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. 1 should be written here. 2 should be carried out in this place. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So our answer will be 5,19,000. Next multiplication is with variables. Suppose now a into a is a square. A square into a is a cube. Same like this way, we are going to multiply minus 9x into 4x square. So x square into x is x power 3. 4 into 9 is 36. Plus into minus is minus. So our answer is minus 36x cube. Previous example, we saw same variables. In this example, we are going to multiply the different variables. So different variables, we cannot multiply the powers. So x into y square will get xy square. Then 3 2s are 6. 1 3s are 3. So our answer is positive 36 xy square.